Nasi diri kuzwa Maputi and dini kunwa Freezit. Diri kuzwa
Maputi. This is Maputi.
All right. Diri kuzwa Maputi and dini kunwa Freezit.
Freezit. Yes.
All right. Dini kunwa Maputi. Diri kuzwa Maputi and dini kunwa Freezit. So it's really nice because someone asked us to eat. It's really nice. Diri kunankai Zimbabwe.
Oh.
Zimbabwe diri kunankai.
No, I mean, is it tasting good?
All right. All right.
Yeah.
I thought that you were saying Zimbabwe. Is it good?
All right. Yeah.
No, yeah.
So
Very cool.
how is Zimbabwe? Are you enjoying Zimbabwe?
Yes, it's nice.
Food?
It's nice.
Okay.
It's very nice.
I hope you guys are still enjoying our videos. We kindly ask you to follow our page, to like our page, and to continue to share our videos to your friends. May God bless you. Have a blessed day.
Amen.